We're going to start in a Sphinx pose, so make your way onto your belly. Elbows are under the shoulders, forearms parallel to each other if you can. Slight engagement of the glutes, and look straight ahead. See if you can slow down the breath. Try to add a little more depth to the breath. Release and lower down. Shake out the hips. Extend your right arm out to your side. We're going to come into a wrestler's twist. So bend the left leg and start to bring the left foot up and over the body. Left toes touch down behind the right knee, or maybe the whole left sole of the foot. So we have a little bit of a stretch in the chest, the shoulder, as well as a twist in the spine. So it might not look exactly as I do, and that's okay. Just look for the sensation in the stretch instead. Release, come back onto your belly, and switch over to the left side. Extend your left arm out, bend the right leg, take it up and over for that wrestler's twist on the other side. Out to your belly. And then press into the hands. Send the hips back to the heels for child's pose. I recommend for this version today to actually keep the knees together. Lower the chest down, and then bring the hands back behind you towards the feet. And let your head hang heavy. And just about 5 more breaths here. So let every exhale sort of bring you deeper and closer to yourself. Lift the chest back up. Your option to stay here for a seated meditation or head straight off to bed. Thank you so much for joining me today. We'll see you in the next class. Namaste.